Let's watch the video.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I saw this item from outside, and I really like it.
Great choice. Would you like to take a closer look?
Yes, please. It looks very nice. How much does it cost?
It costs $20.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes. It comes with a 1-year warranty.
That's good. Can I return it if there is a problem?
Yes. You can return or exchange it within 30 days with the receipt.
Nice. What colors do you have?
We have black, white, and blue.
I'll take the black one.
Great choice. Would you like to pay by cash or card? By card, please. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe.